Welcome everyone to our next FI configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to define chart of accounts in SAP. So generally, chart of accounts is the organizational structure that contains all the definition of GL, general ledger accounts. It is the backbone of financial accounting FI module, ensuring that every transaction is recorded consistently across the company. So here we will see like how to define the chart of accounts in SAP. Go to transaction code SPRO, press enter, go to reference IMG here, then financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master data, GL accounts, preparations, and here edit chart of account list. Click here, click on new entries here, enter your chart of accounts code here, maintain the description here, language, and here you can maintain the GL account number length here. So maximum we can maintain I think 10. So I'll keep here 8, and the consolidation, it's an optional one. If you want to create a group chart of account, you can maintain it here. Then press save here, click on continue. Now your chart of accounts is created. Press back, click on position here, enter your chart of accounts and click on continue. You can see the details over here. So by this way you can create your chart of accounts in SAP. Thank you for watching this tutorial on YouTube. Please subscribe our channel.